Turn your passion into profit. Yes, you heard it right. In this day and age, opportunities abound for anyone willing to seize them. And that includes you. There's a whole universe out there waiting for you to take your hobbies and talents and transform them into a profitable venture. Imagine this. You're sitting in your room, doodling on a sketchpad, strumming a guitar, crafting a short story, conquering the digital world of gaming, or even developing a new software. What if I told you that these hobbies, these passions that you engage in for pure enjoyment could be more than just a pastime? That's right. They could be your ticket to financial independence. You see, we live in an era where the boundaries between work and play are blurred. A time where you can take what you love doing and make it work for you. Now think about that for a second. Isn't that the ultimate dream? To wake up every day and get paid for doing what you love? So, how exactly can you turn your passion into profit? It's simple. There are various platforms available that allow you to monetize your hobbies. These include Etsy, where you can sell your handmade crafts or art pieces; Twitch, where you can stream your gaming sessions and earn from subscriptions and donations; Fiverr, where you can offer your writing, graphic design or coding services; or even online teaching platforms, where you can share your knowledge with others and get paid for it. The beauty of these platforms is that they are accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. All you need is a hobby, a passion, and the determination to make it profitable. And it doesn't have to be a full-time gig. You can start small, in your spare time, and gradually build it up. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Start now. Meet Sarah, a teenager who took her artistic abilities to Etsy. Sarah, like many teenagers, had a passion for creating beautiful handmade jewelry. She would spend hours meticulously crafting intricate pieces, each one a testament to her creativity and dedication. But unlike many teenagers, Sarah decided to take her hobby a step further. She decided to sell her creations on Etsy. Etsy, for those who aren't familiar, is an online marketplace specifically designed for unique handmade and vintage items. It's a platform where artists, craftsmen, and hobbyists can showcase their skills and sell their creations to people all over the world. Sarah started her Etsy journey with just a handful of designs. She set up her store, uploaded photos of her pieces, and wrote detailed descriptions for each one. She priced them competitively and waited, and sure enough, the orders started to trickle in. Over time, she realized there was a demand for her unique style of jewelry. She began to experiment with different designs and materials, constantly evolving her craft to keep her store fresh and interesting. Her customer base grew, and so did her confidence. Sarah's story is not unique. Etsy has been a platform for many teenagers to monetize their artistic abilities. It's not just about selling products, it's about creating a brand, building a customer base, and learning the basics of running a business. Etsy provides the tools and resources to help sellers succeed. There's a community of fellow sellers ready to offer advice, a wealth of information on how to optimize your store for success, and even tools to help you manage your business finances. Sarah's Etsy store started as a hobby, but it quickly grew into something much bigger. It became a source of income, a platform for her creativity, and a stepping stone towards her future career. So, if you have an artistic flair like Sarah, Etsy could be your stepping stone to success. Who knows, your hobby could be the next big thing on Etsy. It all starts with a passion, a product, and a platform. And Etsy could be that platform for you. Moving on, let's dive into the world of gaming with Jack's story. Once upon a time, Jack was an ordinary teenager with an extraordinary love for video games. He turned his passion into something more when he discovered Twitch, a streaming platform where gamers can broadcast their gameplay and interact with viewers in real time. But how did Jack transform his love for games into a profitable venture? Well, to start with, Jack began by streaming his gaming videos on Twitch. He played everything from first-person shooters to complex strategy games, sharing his experiences, strategies, and funny moments with the world. His charisma, gaming skills, and consistency eventually drew in a crowd, turning casual viewers into dedicated followers. As his follower base grew, so did the opportunities to monetize his hobby. Twitch offers multiple ways for streamers to earn money. First, there are subscriptions. Viewers can subscribe to their favorite streamers, paying a monthly fee that gets split between Twitch and the streamer. Jack's dedicated followers were more than willing to subscribe, supporting him and gaining access to exclusive perks like unique emotes and ad-free viewing. Then there's cheering with bits, Twitch's virtual currency. Viewers can buy bits and use them to cheer for their favorite streamers. Each cheer translates into real money for the streamer. Jack's exciting gameplay and engaging commentary often led to a flurry of cheers, adding to his earnings. But that's not all. Twitch also has a partner program for well-established streamers. As a Twitch partner, Jack started receiving a share of the ad revenue generated from his streams. Through all these avenues, Jack was able to turn his gaming hobby into a profitable venture, proving that it's possible to earn money doing what you love. The gaming world is vast and full of opportunities. If you love gaming, Twitch could be your platform. Next up, we have Emma, who turned her writing hobby into a profitable venture on Fiverr. Emma, a high schooler with a passion for storytelling, discovered she could turn her love for words into hard cash. She started out as many do, writing for herself and sharing her work with friends. But soon, she realized that her talent could be more than just a hobby. So, let's delve into Emma's story. One day, while scrolling through Fiverr, a platform that connects freelancers with clients, Emma noticed a demand for creative writing. She saw an opportunity and seized it, setting up her own gig offering creative writing services. She started small, charging $5 for a short story or a poem. But as she began to build a reputation for quality work, she began to raise her prices. Now you might be wondering, what is Fiverr? Well, Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services where you can offer your skills to a global audience. It's a platform where creativity is valued and rewarded. Whether you're a writer like Emma, or you have other talents such as graphic design, coding, or music production, Fiverr could be the perfect place for you to start monetizing your hobby. Getting started on Fiverr is pretty simple. You create a profile, list your services, set your prices, and voila, you're open for business. But remember, just like Emma, you need to start small and gradually build up your reputation. Dedication, consistency, and quality work are key to success on Fiverr. For Emma, Fiverr became a platform where she could share her love for writing with the world and make a substantial income while doing so. She was no longer just writing for herself, but for clients from all over the world, all from the comfort of her own home. So, if you're a teenager with a flair for words, or any other talent for that matter, consider Fiverr. It's not just a platform to make money, it's a platform to share your passion, build your skills, and connect with a global audience. If you have a way with words, Fiverr could be your platform to shine. Last but not least, let's talk about Liam, a coding whiz who started teaching coding online. Now, Liam wasn't your typical teenager. He had a knack for coding, a skill that he decided to share with the world. With the internet as his stage, he began his journey into online teaching. Liam started out small, teaching basic coding concepts on a website that allowed him to create his own courses. He was initially nervous about sharing his knowledge with strangers, but he quickly realized that his passion for coding was contagious. His students loved his teaching style, and soon, his courses started gaining popularity. The beauty of online teaching platforms is that they provide a space for anyone with a skill to share their knowledge with others. And for Liam, this platform became a source of income. Each time a student enrolled in his course, he earned a percentage of the course fee. Before he knew it, he was making a good income, all from doing something he loved. And the best part? Liam was still a teenager. He was able to earn money, gain valuable experience, and make a difference in people's lives, all while still attending high school. It just goes to show that age is no barrier when it comes to sharing your knowledge and making a profit from it. If you have a knack for teaching, online platforms could be your stage. These were just a few examples of teenagers turning their hobbies into profits. Whether you're an artist, a musician, a writer, a gamer, or a coder, you have the potential to earn from what you love. Platforms like Etsy, Twitch, Fiverr, and online teaching are there to help you monetize your passion. Don't be afraid to explore, do your research, and take that first step towards turning your hobby into a thriving business. Remember, your passion can be your paycheck. Start your journey today.